Hello all, we have created a complete course of videos for Business Skill Track 2. Syllabus of Track 2 includes these three topics, that is personal mastery working with agility, complex problem solving capabilities, and persuasion and influencing skill. In this first video, we are covering the first topic of Business Skill Track 2, that is personal mastery working with agility. Before we get started, I want to let you know that in the description box, I will shortly be sharing all the links which are related to personal mastery course that are stated in this BizSkill track. So stay tuned with our channel. In personal mastery, working with agility, there are several topics which includes result orientation, ownership and accountability, collaborative way of working, how to be a good team player, developing the cultivative mindset, ability to work with various stakeholders, continuous learning culture, stress management, agile mindset, and DevOps mindset. Let's see the definition of personal mastery. Personal mastery is defined as the ongoing journey of self-improvement and self-awareness to achieve personal growth and excellence. Personal mastery is knowing exactly how you think, why you act the way you do, being clear about your life purpose and direction, and taking actions to continue learning and development. It is something that we all work for during our life journey in order to promote a meaningful, successful, and more happier life. Personal mastery helps you to develop being aware with your beliefs, attitudes, and behavior. Additionally, it helps you embrace who you are and help you to take responsibility for your behavior, attitude, and thoughts. Personal mastery principles are as follows: to set goal for yourself, to prioritize what is more important to you, to develop self-confidence and self-esteem, to deepen your commitment, to adapt and work with change, to accept harsh realities of life, to let go of negativities like resentment and blame, to deal with the most difficult and challenging situations. There are 7 pathways that enable people to practice personal mastery. First, personal vision. It is an ability to picture ourselves as the best leader we can be and work towards that with focus, determination, and diligence. Personal vision gives motivation and momentum for change. Second, personal purpose. We want to understand how our lives matter, how we contribute, what our unique abilities, talents, and contributions are, as well as the motivation behind what we do. In short, passion is fed by the purpose. Third, personal values. Those who practice personal mastery are motivated by a defined set of values that they live by in all facts of their lives. Integrity and authenticity are qualities that stem from being clear about the values you intentionally choose to maintain and changing them if they don't align. So these three, vision, purpose and value, are represent the fundamental pillars. The remaining 4 pathways can be seen as skill development sets that help you live out your values and realize your personal purpose and vision. Fourth, personal alignment, the degree to which our personal vision, purpose, values, and behaviors are consistent with one another is referred to as personal alignment. Huge amount of good power and energy can be released when these conditions are closely matched, and we discover the ability to renovate and reshape ourselves. Personal perception. It refers to being conscious of the specific frames of reference you use to view other people, events, and circumstances. Additionally, it regards your self identity and self concept, which is the foundation of your self esteem. 6. Personal awareness. It refers to how much you are aware of or are willing to know about yourself and your needs, wants, drives, desire and preferences. It involves being able to take a step back and analyze who you are your habits of thinking, feelings, and doing, recognizing how this pattern affects other people and the caliber of your interactions, strengthening the patterns that produce positive results for you and altering the one that don't. Personal transformation. It is the creative ability we all have to reshape, renew, or reinvent ourselves in order to be more in line with our individual vision, values, and purpose. The ability to bridge those unavoidable gaps between personal vision and present reality is a key action element of personal mastery. The next subtopic is result orientation. A person or organization is said to be result oriented if it places more focus on the end result than the process used to produce a product or deliver a service. A four ways to become a result driven worker are includes work on projects where you can measure the results, turn everything you do into a case study, find ways to measure outcomes, improve your work style. These are some LinkedIn courses you should do to know what is delegation and to understand how to manage our work and deliver result effectively. The next subtopic is ownership and accountability. It refers to an individuals and groups accepting accountability for the effectiveness and quality of both output and outcomes of their work. These two are crucial because ownership doesn't imply perfection. It means knowing why you are doing the work and ensuring that your production is appropriate for its intended use. Accountability means that you will be held responsible for carrying out your work duties and responsibilities. Accountability calls for clarification and involves consequences. The strong ownership culture definition or culture accountability is being able to trust your employee to being their best work. Again, these are some LinkedIn courses. I'll soon mention this in description box. Moving to next subtopic, that is collaborative ways of working. The collaboration is the process of working with one or more people to produce an output or accomplish a goal. Collaboration, when employed effectively, creates a strong team synergy and aids in producing results that are far superior than those that might be obtained by individuals. Employee responsibility increases as a result of collaboration, and this in turn helps to boost motivation, especially when teams collaborate digitally. There are some communication principles to share with your team, which are as follows. Time and attention are precious resources. Practice and demonstrate active listening. Choose the best medium for your message. Check that your listener is engaged. Choose the best format for your message. Provide the background information. Don't put your teammates on the spot. Match your verbal and non verbal communication. Be clear about what you expect. Become a meta communicator as an individual and as a team. There are top 10 most common barriers to effective team communication. These barriers everyone need to overcome. First, lack of trust. It can make effective team communication extremely challenging. Second, physical separation and lack of contact among team members. Separation and lack of contact means that communication errors and misinterpretation are more likely to occur. Third, gender differences. Fourth, information overload. Too much information in too little time especially strains communication. It takes time and attention to communicate effectively. Generational differences. Different experience and values can lead to many communication bottlenecks and errors. Six, personal biases and prejudice. An employee's personal biases and prejudice may cause him or her to interpret communication in ways that are untrue or to magnify small problems so they appear to be much larger than they are. 7. Cultural diversity. Communicate and interpret communication through our own culture perspective, causing a host of communication misfires and miscues. 8. Language differences. 9. Differences in values and beliefs. 10. Noise. External noise, such as conversations of other employees or background noise. Example of interior noise includes employee may have allergies, a headache, sore muscles, or other physical conditions that may be diverting attention away from speaking carefully and listening to others. The next subtopic is ability to work with various stakeholders. We all know that it's crucial to maintain constant communication with the stakeholders throughout the project in order to keep them updated on the status of the requirements. So always engage them in conversation and maintain contact with them. You should make a list of each stakeholder's obligations and expectations so they are clear on how much and what sort of say they will have in the requirements process and the final answer. Again, this is the LinkedIn course. You should do it. Next topic, mindset. A mindset is a set of assumptions, methods, or notations held by one or more people or group of people. Additionally, your thought habits affect how you think, feel, and act. It is a style of thinking about things that members of a group share or have in common to the point that it becomes a way of life. Whenever there is a big decision coming up in life, the choice that you make depends only on one thing, that is your mindset. A Coral Dweck, a world renowned psychologist, discovered this idea of mindset. Mindset is distinguished into fixed mindset that assumes or believes that the skills, creativity, intelligence, and characters cannot change. On the other hand, growth mindset views failures as an opportunity to enhance the current abilities and push them further each day. In fixed mindset, people think that I'm either good at it or I'm not. But in other hand, in growth mindset, we think I can learn anything I want to. By just reading these differences, you can understand the mindset easily. When I am frustrated, I give up. This is fixed mindset. When I am frustrated, I preserve. I don't like to be challenged. I want to challenge myself. When I fail, I am no good. When I fail, I learn. Tell me I am smart. Tell me I try hard. If you succeed, I feel threatened. If you succeed, I am inspired. My abilities determine everything. My efforts and attitude determine everything. Next subtopic is Agile Mindset, a set of values and principles that emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and customer centricity in the development of products and solutions is called as Agile Mindset. Acquiring an agile mindset through mindful approach to each work at hand enables people and organizations to anticipate issues and offer incremental solutions. Key aspects of agile mindset includes customer focus, adaptability, collaboration, iterative and incremental progress, empowerment, continuous improvement, transparency. Attributes for developing an agile mindset includes cognitive agility. It refers to the ability to quickly adapt in thinking, learn, and solve problems in various situations, often involving flexible thinking, creativity, and adaptability. Professional and personal agility. Professional agility involves adapting to changes in the workspace, being versatile in skills, and swiftly adjusting to the new job requirements or industry shifts. It includes learning new technologies, being open to change, and having a flexible mindset. Personal agility related to adaptability in daily life, managing uncertainties, and being resilient in various life situations. Change agility, it refers to the ability to effectively navigate and respond to changes, whether they occur in the workspace, personal life, or broaden context. Social agility, it involves the ability to navigate various social situations with ease, displaying flexibility, understanding, and adaptability in interactions with different individuals or groups. Communication and career networking comes under social and cognitive agility. Analytical and different thinking comes under social, cognitive, and professional and personal agility. Reflection and adaptation comes under social, change, and personal and professional agility. The last one, innovation and collaboration, comes under social and change agility. Next subtopic is DevOps mindset, a strong handshake between development and operations known as DevOps that places an emphasis on improved communication, closer integration, and a change in perspectives. It combines continuous delivery, automation, agile, and many other concepts to assist development and operational teams to be more effective, efficient, and innovate faster and deliver higher value to business and customers. There are seven key principles for a successful DevOps culture. It includes foster a collaborative environment. Fostering a collaborative environment also involves embracing a culture shift within a business, and this must start from the top down. Second, impose end to end responsibility. In DevOps, both developers and operations groups work as a team that is fully accountable for the applications from beginning to end. Third, encourage continuous improvement. DevOps places a strong focus on continuous improvement to optimize performance and cost and speed of delivery. Fourth, automate everything. True DevOps unit teams to support continuous integration and continuous delivery, that is CI/CD pipelines, through optimized processes and automation. Fifth, focus on customers' need to strive for continuous improvement with high cycle rates and the ability to immediately respond to customer feedbacks. Brand must utilize automated processes. Sixth, embrace failure and learn from it. Unite teams and expertise. Automation is a key step towards CI/CD or the ability to rapidly release new software to your customers. So these are the seven key principles of successful DevOps culture. More DevOps culture principles includes change is good, tools, transparency, rewarding good behaviors, grassroots innovation, accountability, no blame, embrace failures, trust, collaboration, honesty and openness, and communication. Next topic is developing the cultivative mindset. It refers to cultivating a specific approach and attitude when interacting with others, especially in a professional or advisory capacity. These mindset emphasize the qualities of empathy and a willingness to understand and meet the needs and goals of the individuals or organizations you are working with. Here are key elements of developing a cultivative mindset. First, active listening. A cultivative mindset involves actively listening to the concern, objectives, and challenges of the people you are engaging with. Second, empathy. Empathy is a central component of cultivative mindset. involves the ability to put yourself in the other person's place, to understand their emotions, and to show that you genuinely care about their well being and success. Building relationships. This mindset focuses on building strong and long lasting relationships with clients, colleagues, or anyone you are advising. Problem solving. Being cultivative means actively engaging in problem solving and helping others find solutions to their challenges. Patience. Developing a cultivative mindset often requires patience. It may take time to truly understand the needs and challenges of those you are working with, and it can be a journey of mutual discovery. Adaptability. You must be willing to adjust your approach and strategies as the situation evolves or as new information becomes available. Result oriented. It's not just about providing advice but also about following us, measuring progress, and adjusting strategies as needed to ensure success. Continuous learning. Being cultivative also involves a commitment to ongoing learning and self improvement. Stay informed about industry trends, best practices, and new technologies. Transparency. Maintaining openness and honesty is a fundamental aspect of cultivating mindset. Stress management. Stress management in business is a crucial skill for professionals and leaders. It involves the ability to recognize, cope with, and mitigate stress in a workspace setting. Effectively managing stress can lead to improved productivity, well being, and overall success in the business world. Key aspects of stress management in business skill includes self awareness. The first step in managing stress is to be aware of your own stressness and how they affect you. Second, time management. Effective time management can significantly reduce stress. Prioritize tasks, set clear goals, and create a structured schedule. Work life balance. Striking a healthy balance between work and personal life is essential for stress management. Effective communication. Clear and open communication is crucial for managing stress in a team or organization. Delegation. Recognize that you cannot do anything on your own. Delegate tasks and responsibilities to capable team members to share the workload and reduce stress. Problem solving. Develop problem solving skills to address the root cause of stress. Resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adapt the change. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques can help reduce stress levels. Physical health. A healthy life cycle, including regular exercises, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep, can strengthen your body's ability to cope with stress. Support system. Seek support from colleagues, friends, or a mentor when facing challenging situations. Continuous learning. Stay updated on stress management strategies and techniques. Attend workshop or training sessions related to stress management. Positive organization culture. Foster a positive and supportive organizational culture. Next topic is continuous learning culture. A continuous learning culture, often referred to as a culture of learning, is a workplace environment where learning and professional development are not viewed as isolated events or occasional activities but are integrated into the daily operations and values of the organization. In continuous learning culture, employees The 5 steps to developing a continuous learning cultures are: create a mindset that is open to growth, teach people how to give great feedback, introduce 360-degree development reviews, set learning goals within teams, start a peer to peer coaching ecosystem. In a continuous learning culture, employees, teams, and the organization as a whole are committed to ongoing lifelong learning and improvement. Next subtopic is how to be a good team player. Being a good team player in a business setting is a valuable skill that can lead to a more productive and harmonious work environment. Here are some key strategies and qualities to cultivate in order to be a effective team player. Active listening, willingness to collaborate, support and encouragement, respect for differences and time, celebrate team success, positive attitude, admit mistakes, problem solving, mentor and be mentored, own your responsibilities, focus on team goals. So, these are some qualities that everyone needs to acquire in themselves to be a good team player. So, the first topic of Business Skill Track 2 ends here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next topic.